Is Dogecoin going to hit $1 this bull run? Could just 10,000 Dogecoin make you a Dogecoin millionaire? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Dogecoin and some interesting things happening in the market. Where a lot of coins are pumping, looks like Dogecoin is going the opposite direction, which gives us, the savvy buyers, a buying opportunity. Before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, as it helps out the channel tremendously. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money on the coins we cover on this channel. Today we're talking about Dogecoin, Elon Musk's favorite cryptocurrency. If you remember last year on 420, Elon Musk actually changed the Twitter bird icon to the Doge icon for a day, which is really cool. That's why this coin has a lot of advantages in the space. Being in the meme coin space, the #1 meme coin with the highest market cap for all meme coins, plus having a massive mascot like Elon Musk, you can only imagine bullish things ahead for Dogecoin. On the day, we're down a whopping 3%. On the week, we're down also 3%. Looks like a lot of selling has been taking place at this 15-cent mark, looking like 15-16 cent being a strong resistance that we need to see a breakthrough. On the month, we're down a whopping 20%, which is actually great for us to buy in, because it could be, a good time to load up a bag on the lows. In terms of market cap, $21 billion, making this top 8 cryptocurrency in the world. In terms of volume, make it top 10 at $886 million. The community is absolutely bullish on Dogecoin as well. Obviously, this being the biggest cryptocurrency in the meme space, I would say the face of meme coins as well. And again, guys, there's some basis here, because when you go to the meme coin tab, Dogecoin is #1 at 8, $21 billion market cap. Closest market cap to Dogecoin is Shiba Inu, dancing at $14 billion market cap. Could Shiba Inu catch up to Dogecoin? It's possible, but I think with Elon in Dogecoin's corner, it could be absolutely massive. Talking about the corner's coming up for Dogeverse. As you can see, there's only 13 hours left before the price spikes. You might want to load up a bag now. Dogeverse is a pre-sale coin on 6 different exchanges, and they've already raised over $11 million. This part's absolutely insane, because it launched earlier in April. So from the past 3 weeks, they raised $11 million, showing that there's something here for this project. What is Dogeverse? The world's first chain traveling Doge. Dogeverse goes multi-chain. Buy and claim Dogeverse on any of the following chains: ETH, BNB, Polygon, AVAX Base, and Solana, which has been a fan favorite network, blockchain, I should say, this bull run. Guys, I don't know about you, I've been having a lot of technical issues with Solana just trading. Hopefully that gets fixed as well. Lots of blockage, but featured on a bunch of different articles. Multi-bridge technology, utilizing superior bridge technology, Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place, and not only that, guys, you add getting in early on a pre-sale price, but also they have staking, dynamic range staking, where the percentage could change throughout the days and the weeks. And we can see we're currently at 97% APY. It's absolutely insane. People are absolutely loving this project. Talking about loving this project, we can see it has built a massive community on Twitter with just under 10,000 followers. Again, Dogeverse goes multi-chain. We can see this was posted just 4 hours ago. Supply breakdown. So pre-sale allocation 15%, so 30 billion tokens, 20 billion for staking, 50 billion for project funds, 20 billion for liquidity, 50 billion for market cap, 50 billion for marketing. Ecosystem fund 20 billion, and then exchanges 10 billion. Again, this one's going to go absolutely parabolic. Again, we take a look at pre-sale gems a lot on this channel, and we typically see if you get in early, you reap the most rewards, so you're not going to want to miss out on Dogeverse. I'm going to link in the description below. But let's go back to talking about Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and actually look at the technicals for what's going on with Dogecoin. As you see, we're down 1.8%, and some resellers to sell. Oscillators are sitting in neutral. Moving averages are also indicating a sell, so it's very a bearish predicament. However, again, we're the savvy investors. You and I, we're savvy investors. We buy when everyone's selling, because then when everyone's just buying, we could start selling and actually make a profit. Remember, crypto's a player versus player game. If everyone's selling, hey, they're basically giving us advantage to buy at a low price. Then when it starts to pump and it's on its way to $1 and everyone's aping in, at that point, if you 3x, 4x, even 5x, in this case potentially even 10x, you can withdraw and actually make a profit. Again, we're only buying cryptos to make profit, so it makes sense to actually have an investing strategy. So when the summary is showing sell and moving averages are showing selling, I'm buying, I'm loading up the dip. And we're gonna go ahead and look at the technicals as well, okay? Because this is interesting. So Dogecoin is currently at 15 cents and showing a triangle pattern. If it breaks below, it may drop to 12 cents. If it breaks above, it could climb to 21 cents. So next move is going to be very critical. We can see triangle formation is made. It's gonna break above or break down. We're going to find out very soon. Again, I'm very bullish on Dogecoin, especially, and I said this like 3 times so far in this video, with the likes of Elon Musk behind this, the mascot of the project. You can only anticipate great things ahead for the future of this project. And again, I don't care what any of the naysayers are saying, I'm bullish on Dogecoin. We can see holding 10,000 Dogecoin can make you a millionaire. Will Dogecoin hit $1 by the end of April? Definitely not. This was supposed to 2 days ago. Definitely not by the end of April. During the bull market for sure. Again, a lot of, you gotta be careful, guys. Again, 10,000 Doge, guys, is not going to make you a millionaire, especially not in a short span of time. In the long-term future, maybe 10,000 Dogecoin would cost you $1,500, okay? And so you put $1,500, and if each Doge is worth, let's just say, put it out there, $2, we're talking about 20 grand. So to be a millionaire, you got to watch what people are saying. They're trying to pull our attention with these crazy articles. Definitely, you're not going to become a millionaire with holding 1,000 Doge. Will you make a decent profit? Yeah, maybe you can make 20K. But long term, you never know. If Dogecoin continues to pump and one day reaches $100, $200, maybe. But at this point, in this current price point, I strongly doubt it. And Doge is also growing on the internet as well. 3.9 million followers. Exciting things ahead for Dogecoin and the whole crypto world right now. We're very bullish on what comes next for what's going on in crypto and for what comes next for Dogecoin. Are we getting an Elon Musk to start pumping again? It's very possible. If you haven't already, make sure you check out Dogeverse. I'm gonna link in the description below. The prices are hiking in about 19 hours, so you don't want to miss out on that bag. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.